మీరు వీలైనంత వరకు మన టీమ్స్ అందరు ఎక్కడ వాళ్ళు అక్కడ ఏ మండలాల్లో అయితే బాగా డ్యామేజ్ ఉందో అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి ఆ టీమ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఇళ్లలో నీళ్లు ఉంటే జెసిపీలు పెట్టి బయటికి డైవర్ట్ చేయడము. తర్వాత వాళ్ళ ఇల్లులు పచ్చిగుండి లేదా బాగా ఇళ్ళ నష్టం జరిగి ఉంటే కొంత
At present, the weather conditions are indicating that the yesterday's well-marked low pressure area that lies over the south Odisha and its adjoining areas has become less marked into a low pressure area over the same area, and the associated cyclonic circulation is extending up to 7.6 kilometers above mean sea level, tilting southwestwards with height, and it is likely to move in west northwestward direction across Chhattisgarh. And under its influence, today Telangana is likely to receive light to moderate rains over most places in many districts, and heavy to very heavy is very likely to occur in north and northwest districts of Telangana, and extremely heavy at one or two places is likely to occur in a few districts along the northwest and western districts like Nirmal, Nizamabad, Kamareddy and Jagityal districts. The surrounding districts up to the eastern part of Telangana is likely to receive at times heavy rainfall and heavy to very heavy, and the southern sector is likely to receive light to moderate rains during next 24 hours, and thereafter the system is moving in west northwest direction towards the Madhya Pradesh region. So that heavy rainfall zone is likely to concentrate over the North Telangana region, over Adilabad and its adjoining areas. Under its influence, Telangana is having heavy to very heavy on the second day, and under its influence there is likely of flood risk at one or two places in the western side and eastern part of Telangana, and also in the northwestern districts of the Telangana state.
Is there any alerts given now in this?
Yes, already red warning has been issued for today and orange warning for tomorrow for Telangana state. Today, Telangana state, especially Nirmal, Nizamabad and Kamareddy and its adjoining district Jagityal is likely to have very heavy rainfalls. At times, extremely heavy is likely to occur in the places of Nizamabad, Kamareddy, Jagityal, at times in the Nirmal.